house of origin, they like ice during sunrise and sunset. Last but not least, owls with black eyes. They tend to hunt and fly. Now with that, everyone, let's give all the lovely owls, Latif and Soren, a warm round of applause. Thank you. Through the dense vegetation, you see long-legged black blocks to overtake the rocks in search of insects. Now sometimes when they come across, there you go. There you go. Okay, what about a tree right over here? Right over there. You see he's using his feet to even slip aside the wood chips in search of more food. Now when the insects were to take off and fly away, sometimes the crocodiles are able to make vertical flights and to catch them just like this.
Can you see that again, Daria?
Okay. A little bit more challenging round. How about higher? They use columns of air to fly and glide as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures, they prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, let's welcome Zina, our turkey vulture. They can be found in the Americas and is one of the few birds with a finely tuned sense of smell.
So this means that the turkey vultures are usually the first to the scene of a carcass. Now other vultures would follow suit, but the other vultures would be doing the hard work of ripping apart the tough skin of the dead animal.
The fun fact about turkey vultures is that their style acid is acidic as are batteries. And this allows them to digest carrion. It looks like he has done well and it's time for her to head back home. All the way home. Time to visit his favorite trainer right there, not to worry.
Okay, then,
Gina, it's time to head back to your trainer.
Okay, right over there. Come on. Up you go. There you go. Big hand.
2005, a young Himalayan griffon vulture began his journey from the Tibetan plateau down to Thailand for the winter. Now along the way he got lost and ended up in Orchard Road in Singapore. He was extremely weak and too exhausted to continue his journey. So brought me back to Bird Park and nursing back to health.
Unfortunately, Genghis suffered an injury which prevents him from being released back into the water. So he's now a very special member of our raptor family. And he definitely lives up to the name, the mighty Genghis.
And let's give him a big round of applause on Himalayan griffon vulture. Field 5 was starting to feed. But once they get going, for 100 birds in the field, the last time to clean is less than 5 minutes. And once wildlife in Africa, they are critically endangered and disappearing at an alarming rate. And of course, onto the customers, we have 2 more birds that are joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, flying around that corner.
About 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up 70% of the continent's carrier. So we would be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
But all around the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and superstitious belief. Many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts will be the only way to save these birds from becoming extinct. So let us now take a moment to give a round of applause to these amazing birds for keeping our environment